Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on another bus route that the JUTC has opened up. Now, as you know, the government is bringing in a lot of buses for the JUTC. I think they've brought in more buses since Darvaz became Minister of Transport than they have in the last couple of years combined. So JUTC is definitely improving their service. And these are state-of-the-art buses, CNG buses, where it would cost $60,000 to fuel a diesel bus. It costs $20,000 to fuel these CNG buses. So because they are getting in these new buses, JUTC is able to expand their service across Jamaica. They have started a new route now from Maypen to Chapelton, and they recently started a route from Kingston to Maypen because of the new buses and the highway. They also started a service from St. Mary to Halfway Tree, and they started a service from Kingston to St. Thomas. So today we're going to give you an update on Route 504, which operates between Chapelton and Maypen in Clarendon. Jamaica Urban Transit Company Limited (JUTC) has announced the launch of a new weekday route number 504, which will operate between Chapelton and Maypen in Clarendon starting Wednesday, February 5th. In a release, JUTC said this service will enhance connectivity for commuters in Clarendon, providing an affordable and safe transportation option along the Chapelton-Maypen corridor. The new route will serve passengers traveling via Turners and New Longville, offering a regular service operated from the Spanish Town Depot. Commuters will benefit from an affordable fare structure of adults $100 using a smart fare card and $150 if paying in cash. Seniors and students will pay $50 with a smart fare card or $150 if paying cash, the state-owned bus company said. JUTC's corporate communications manager said the new route emphasizes the company's commitment to improving public transportation services across the island. The introduction of Route 504 is a direct response to the needs of our commuters in Clarendon. We remain steadfast in our mission to provide safe, efficient, and affordable transportation for all Jamaicans. This new service will undoubtedly benefit residents by offering more flexibility and convenience in their daily travels. In the meantime, Carla Barrett Morris, Service Planning Manager at JUTC, said this new route is a part of the company's ongoing efforts to expand its reach beyond the boundaries of the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region, in keeping with the expressed desire of Minister of Transport Darrell Vaz. The company's medium to long-term vision is to see commuters in other parishes benefit from safe, reliable, and more affordable transportation, and to also play its part in the development of a more disciplined public transportation system island-wide. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. I think it's an excellent idea. Very proud of what's going on with the or very impressed with what's going on at the JUTC, because I believe the JUTC should be providing bus service to every major town in Jamaica. They can't do it right now because they don't have enough buses, but as they get more buses in, they are expanding the service. So they're definitely going in the right direction. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.